Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to discuss Galaxy Surfactants Limited Quarter 3 Financial 21 results. We are going to discuss consolidated results. Here amount in crores. We are going to discuss year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results. Year-on-year results means we'll compare December 20 results with December 19 results. Quarter-on-quarter results means we'll compare December 20 results with September 20 results. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year they got 625 crores. This year 674 crores. That means approximately 48 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here revenue was increased 7.8 percentage year on year. Later other income. Here 3 crores. Here 3 crores. So we'll ignore it. Later expenses. Cost of material consumed. Previous year 394 crores. This year 419 crores. That means approximately 26 crores was increased. Later purchase of stock in trade. Previous year 6 crores. This year 11 crores. Later change in inventories. Previous year 20 crores spent. This year 10 crores credited. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year they spent 43 crores. This year 49 crores. That means here 6 crores was increased. We need to find employee benefit expenses raised due to management salary or employee salary. Later finance cost. It was decreased from 5 crores to 2 crores. That means they paid half of the debt. This is positive side. One more thing, they are paying only 2 crores as interest. That means they have minimal debt. Later depreciation. Previous year 16 crores. This year 16 crores. So we'll ignore it. Other expenses. Previous year 78 crores. This year 86 crores. Here 8 crores was increased. We'll ignore it. What you understood based on revenue from operations and expenses. Revenue from operations increased from 625 crores to 674 crores. Here employee benefit expenses was increased from 43 crores to 49 crores. Finance cost decreased from 5 crores to 2 crores. This is positive side. Later profit before tax. It was increased from 63 crores to 103 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here profit before tax was increased 63.2 percentage year on year. This is very good figure. Later tax expenses. First one is current tax. Previous year they spent 15 crores. This year 18 crores. Here 3 crores current tax was increased. Later deferred tax. Here last year 0.67 crores credited. Here 0.7 crores credited. We'll ignore this one. Total tax expenses previous year 15.2 crores. This year 17.9 crores. Later profit after tax. Previous year they got 47 crores. This year 85 crores. That means approximately 38 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 77.6 percentage year on year profit after tax was increased. This is excellent figure. Later paid up equity share capital. Previous year 35 crores. This year 35 crores. That means here equity capital is not increased. What we understood based on this one is they did not dilute the equity. This is positive side. Later earning per share basic. Previous year 13 rupees 54 pice. This year 24 rupees 04 pice. That means here approximately 11 rupees was increased. This is very good figure. Now we will compare quarter on quarter. In September quarter they got 718 crores. This quarter 674 crores. That means here approximately 44 crores was decreased. We'll check in percentage. Here revenue was decreased 6.1 percentage quarter on quarter. This is negative side. Let profit before tax. Here previous quarter 106 crores. This quarter 103 crores. That means 3 crores was decreased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 2.8 percentage quarter on quarter decreased. Later profit after tax. It was increased from 81 crores to 85 crores. Here 4 crores was decreased. Here we need to observe one point. Profit before tax decreased 106 crores to 103 crores. But profit after tax increased 81 crores to 85 crores. Why means in previous quarter they paid 24 crores as tax. This quarter only 18 crores. Due to that one, they got high profit after tax quarter on quarter. With checked in percentage, 4.2 percentage quarter on quarter increased. What we observed based on year and quarter results is Galaxy surfactants got very good results year on year and flat quarter on quarter results. Here we need to check third point. Galaxy surfactant dictate 14 rupees dividend. This is positive point. Now we'll check valuation of Galaxy surfactants. P before results is 32.2. P after results is 28. Here 4 points was decreased. This is positive side. Pros are excellent year-on-year results, undervalued based on previous year PE, decrease in debt, neutral value based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 23.5, current PE is 28. Here 23.5 is near to 28, that means based on current market conditions, Galaxy surfactants is neutral value. Cons are quarter on quarter results are not good. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.